Problem with this dryer, the problem is a Dexter stock dryer. The problem with this one is that, I don't know, you can see the numbers. It's a 25 cents per 10 minutes. The bottle works, but not the top. I don't know if you can see this. I just put a quarter in there, and see if that is working. And we put another quarter. Nothing. Because the timer is set. The timer is there, but there's nothing going on. And there's nothing stuck on it. And the belt still, it's okay. The belt's not broken. And it's not stuck. There's nothing holding it. Nothing. So how do you fix this? The main problem for this one is the computer. The computer is going bad. So I have to replace the computer. See what happens. Here we got a new computer. It's a refurbish. What they do, they change those. They take this off of the old ones in here, and they put the new ones in here. Okay, so this is the old computer. So see, as you can see, this is the new one. They basically take those off. This is the old one, and this is the new one. They just take those off and they're basically new ones. I don't know what they do, but they refurbish it. So I'm pretty sure that's what's going on with this. So just make sure you take one wire at a time. You take that off, then you put it back in the new one, then you take that one and that one and that one and that one at a time until you get to the one. Sorry I can show you because I'm doing this one myself, but this is what you do. Just make sure you take one at a time. See? Take that one off, you put it in there, you take that one and that one and that one and that one and that one, just like that. And then this is how you replace it. Make it each one of them has different block, but just to be sure, you know, except for these ones right here. So make sure you do that. I just replaced a new computer. I don't know if you can see it. Usually, like I said, just take one at a time out. This is the old one. Just take one at a time out, but usually it has different plug, and you should be able to see right here. It has, you can see it says blue, and it's blue, and then it says red, and then red with white, right here, red with white. So it's not that complicated to replace one computer. Okay, now let's see if it's going to work. So I'll just put it back in here, and I plug it in and see if it's going to work. I put a quarter, I put a bottle. There we go. Now let's try the top. Yeah, it's working. So that's how you know for sure that the computer is fried on one side. you have the same problem, you check the, first you make sure that this is not stock, then you go back and check your belt, and if it's good, then that means it's more likely going to be your computer that is just not working properly. Alright, thank you for watching. And this one, all I just got to do is just put it back in there and lock it up. That's all you do. There we go. There. Alright, so working good. Alright, thank you for watching. This is a Dexter dryer.